1. Read a sigh bubble as an expression of relief or a character's exasperation. Oftentimes manga characters will be illustrated with an empty dialogue bubble at or below their mouth. This indicates that character is sighing, and can be interpreted as either relief or exasperation. 2. Interpret lines across a character's facial area as blushing. Manga characters are often depicted as blushing with lines sketched across the nose and cheeks. Interpret these expressions as illustrations of a character being embarrassed, overjoyed, or even having romantic feelings toward another character. 3. Read a nosebleed as lust, not injury. When a manga character appears on page with a nosebleed, this usually means they are having lustful thoughts about another character or are gazing lustfully at another character, usually a beautiful woman. 4. Interpret a sweat drop as embarrassment. Sometimes a sweat drop may appear near a character's head. This usually indicates the character is embarrassed or feeling extremely uncomfortable in a given situation. This is usually less severe than the embarrassment depicted by blushing. 5. Read facial shadows and dark auras as anger, irritability, or depression. When a manga character appears in a panel with a purple, gray, or black blob or shadow floating in the background, this is usually indicative of the negative energy surrounding the character.